Hi guys and welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to start project in Figma. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now before we start, if you're searching for a cutting-edge design and collaboration software, click the link in the description box below to sign up and get started with Figma today. Now if you don't know, a project is basically a place where you will be able to create different designs, where you and your teammate within a specific team will be able to access and play around with. Now, as you can see here below on the left side, I already have some random teams and it already consists of a project. Now, per team is only allowed one project if you're using a free version. So if you click on new project, as you can see, I won't be able to create a new project because I am only limited to one project for a starter, which is like the free account, a free user that will allow us only one project, 3 Figma design and 3 Figma jams or Fig jams, and 3 pages per design file. And that's our limitation. And if you want to be able to do more project and have more access, like unlimited projects, unlimited files, and unlimited pages, we would need to upgrade to a plan that we will check out later on in the video. So let's get started with actually creating a project. Now, since I already have a project over here in this 2 themes over here, I won't be able to create a project on them anymore. So let's create a new team. And there we go. As you can see, simply click on create new team over here and you will be able to see this. And simply click on create team. Put in the name of the team that you want. For this one, let's say project creation. There we go. Then simply click on create. And now you could add your team members that you would like to have and be in with when you're creating your design in Figma. So like I said earlier, projects are basically designs that you will be able to work with other people. They will be able to see the designs themselves and you will be able to do the different things that people would usually do inside of Figma. So for now, I'm going to skip this because yes, I don't have any emails of other people. I don't have a team. Hi guys and welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, that would build a design with me. So let's go with the starter over here, which is our free version over here. Simply click on choose starter and now it will automatically create our team project over here, as you can see. Then we could simply, select this and you could open it. And as you can see, you can rename the team project if you want. Simply click on this icon over here, click on rename, and you will be able to customize the name of the project. You're also able to add a description if you want. So for example, this project is for wireframes and also spelling and drafts of designs. Something like that. Click on save, and it will appear over here on the right side, as you can see. Then you could also copy the link, which you could send to other people. Click on move, you could remove. From favorites, you could transfer or you could delete. You are able to use some design templates over here if you want to have some quick items right away. And you can click on design files, add jam boards over here, Fig Jam, and you can import, you could share, and currently this is on the favorites, but you can disable or add it just like that. And if it is on your favorite, you will be able to easily see it over here. Now, as you can see right now, we have a limit of 3 Figma files and another 3 Figma files over here. And if you want unlimited files, projects, customizations, customized team libraries, we would need to upgrade our plan, which is this over here. You have your starter right now, which is what we are using, wherein we will be able to have some 3 files, 3 pages, and 1 project. Our history is like 30 days only, and then the other options or the other features we are not able to use and utilize. So let's actually check out the entire thing over here. And after the free version over here, we will be able to either upgrade from a professional, which is the $12 per month, which will allow us to use all of these options over here, unlimited Figma files, unlimited version history. We will be able to share and private our projects. We could access team libraries, have some advanced prototyping, and have some dev mode. For the $45 per month, you will be able to use everything in the professional, plus org-wide libraries, design, system analytics, branching and merging, centralized file management, unified admin billing, private plugins, and single on. And for the last one over here, which is enterprise version, meaning we have all of this features as well, and we will be able to have some dedicated workspace, analytic or advanced design system, guest access controls, role settings via SCIM, idle session timeouts, and force password links, network access restrictions, and many more, as you can see here. So simply choose the specific plan that you would like to have. If ever you do have plan to get some plans, but since we're free right now, we're simply going to stick with team project, and then you can simply click on design files, and you will be redirected to the typical editing page over here, where you can add your designs that you would like to have on your output, something like this. So simply work with the design that you want to create, and other people will be able to work with you as well. So there we go. Let's pick our random design over here for a bit. Let's fix our sizing over here. There we go. Change the color to a yellow color. Add some effects. A drop shadow. You could make it an inner drop shadow. Then you could like lessen the blur to make it more noticeable. There we go. Then you could add more of this, more of this. For this one, we could make it smaller. No, and this one is smaller as well. Something like that. Now we have a very random design that we have just created. So when we exit this, we could go and click on back to files. You will be able to see here our item or the project we have just created, which is like the random stars that I have just created. And we could create another one. And like what we mentioned earlier, we are able to create 3 designs as our limit. You can see here. And you will be able to see the update over here. Starter team overview. 2 out of 3 Figma files has been used. And we can do the same thing for the Fig Jam over here, depending on what you want. So for example, let's create a random one for now. Set, just like that. Click on exit, back to files. Now as you can see, 1 out of 3 Fig Jams files has been used. And there are many things that you could do, of course. You could customize this. If you don't like one, don't be afraid, because you will be able to delete this either way. Simply click on this specific file, and if you open this, you will be able to like change the different things either way. So if you don't like a file, if you don't know how to delete a specific design, you can simply select this and delete the content either way. Very easy. You can go back to files, and you could play around. You could visit your other designs as well. It will not disappear no matter how many themes that you create. So that's a really good thing. So your team projects won't go away, even if you're trying to stick to free versions of Figma. Like me, because I don't really have the time to pay for a plan. So I'm sticking with this, and like I'm sticking with the drafts that I have. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to create projects in Figma. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.